At ang hirap, papanggap pa ba akong na ikaw ay masaya? Hello! Ayan. Good morning sa lahat. Ayan. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mm, wait lang. Shout out sa Ah, may naka-fall naman siya. Ayan, ito na. Ayan, shout out Ma'am Flor de Lisa Jimenez Official. Shout out po. Thank you for coming. Naririnig po ba ako, ma'am? Good morning po, Ma'am Flor. Ayan, sa'yo, ma'am.
Zile 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 yo alergial mile 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 mile.
Good morning. So, yung ano ko, kakanta ako guys, hindi naman maganda ng aking boses. Ayan. Nagpa-practice ako para sa singtonado. Ay, sa ano, sa singtonado ko. Singtonado pala. Singtonado. Ayan. Salamat sa pagpunta, Ma'am Flor. Nalagay ng kolorite aking mukha para din nila malaman tunay na naganap na ikaw at ulitin ko. Diba? Dapat lalagay ng kolorite aking mukha para din nila malaman tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay hindi na iniensayo pa mabuti para di halata damdamin ko'y pinipigil loob umiiyak dahil ikaw at ako ay hindi na Tanggap ka ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na at kung bukas mulat ng aking mata ay mahal ka ng iba wala na akong kaibigan. Diba, inaantok na naman ako sa akin. Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko? Ako rin ang sisisihin. Nabulagan ako na ikaw at ako ay wala. Ang hirap kapag napagaan ko na ako'y masaya Nagsimulang magbago ang planong ako'y di na naging sapat. Ba't di mo sinabi nung una pa ko ang kailangan pero di ang mahal. Bakit ba sa hangin mga lumipas pinatuloy balikan? Maibabalik ang dating ikot ng mundo. Ako'y lagi na lang nakikinig. Sayang, bakit mo naghahanap Awit ang nagmamahal sa'yo. Awit may ibig ang puso para sa'yo. Bawat
Internal closing.
ang pangako sa'kin, ako lamang ang iibigin. Ngunit bakit ngayon hindi mo man lang mapansin? Di na sa'king alaala, at palagi kang kasama. Ngunit ngayon ay may mahal ka ng iba. Oh, thinking about you, I was lonely. Thinking about naantok ko sa sarili kong kanta. May marama. Hanap things for me to know. Stop so me shout out ang eh Sakit ko na, be. I've been waiting for so long. There's something to run. Our dreams are coming through the good times and the bad. Lang. Yan. Dal-dal pa more. Hindi ko na sana pinagdasal iyong at hindi na rin pinagdasal bawat dahil sa akala ko di ako ibig sa'yo. Ikaw pala kaya ngayon waring araw-gabi ay pangarap sa Pinay dahil ba ang puso ko'y labis na umibig sa'yo ang kailan magpipigil ang pag-ibig ko ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin para bang hangin na hirap pigilin sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik nais kong malaman mo na hindi ko na sana pinagdasal ang iyong at hindi na rin pinansin bawat ngiti mo'y dahil sa akala ko di ako'y ibig sa'yo ikaw pala ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin para bang hangin pigiling. Sana'y unawa ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na ibig ka. Nais kong malaman mo na ibig ka. Hello guys, shout out yan sa inyong lahat. Looking in your eyes, see a that the ground is too be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you. Love in my heart, got a feeling for you. When you say we're crazy, I feel the world around is full of us. Maybe we can make it if we're we can build minsan natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko marating ko na ang kulap sa langit. Sa aking pag-ibig, tanging naisip, ikaw nasa hanggang wakas ang aking pag-ibig. Ngunit biglang nakalimutan, di na madama kapag kapiling na kita, na malamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ako? Na ang akala ko'y langit, nilalaro mo lang kaya ako ay nagluha. Kaya ka ngayon nawala ka na pa rin.
In nature.
Ano ba ito? Ito na lang.
Ito na lang gagamitin ko. Okay. Hello, guys. Kakanta. Kantahan ko kayo, guys. Kakantahan ko kayo, ha? Sana ay napatawad din ako. Ako na lang siya. So, shout out sa lahat na nandiyan. Shout out sa 1 million viewers. Hanggang kailan mag-keep you? Wait lang, guys, ha? Wait lang. Ano ba ito? Hello? Hi! Shout out sa 1 million viewers. Wait lang, guys, ha? Wait lang. Wait lang talaga. Naghahanap ako ng kakantahin. Kasi mahilig talaga ako sa kanta, pero ang kanta talaga wala talagang kahilig-hilig sa akin, guys. Diba? Ang saklap. Ano pa ang aking kakantahin? Wait lang, guys. Ito na ang aking kakantahin. Lang. Ito na talaga, guys. Ito na. Ito na yan. Shout out sa 1 million viewers. Bakit ba lagi tayo nakikita? Puso ko
In major. Puso ko ay pabalisa. Pag ako'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Ilang daming di ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko, ika'y kalimutan. Ngunit hanggang ngayon, ang kakayanan, ang puso ko'y isipan sa araw at gabi. Noong gayon,
di ako makatulog at kakaisip sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Paano ko kaya masasabi sa'yo na ikaw ang tinitibo ng puso ko? Aking nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Asahan mo ito, sinta, ay di maglalaho pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog, nakakaisip sa'yo. At ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog, nakakaisip sa'yo. At ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog, nakakaisip sa'yo. At ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang mahal. Diba? Diba? Ito nga. Ito. Parang I know this talaga. I know this. I know this. Good luck na lang kailangan ko tonight. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.
We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. Ano ba nangyari? Hello? Hello?
You look alright. And I say yes.
Adventure.
Like a wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder of it all is still shout out guys, shout out. Uy Langki, nasaan ka na? Umakyat ka na dito kay kakanta ka din be. Walang tulugan be. Dali na Langki, OFW. Love, nasaan ka na? I-message ako para ano, ibigay ko sa iyo ang mahiwagang ano dyan. Ayan. Hello ka? Hello, hello. Ano nag-iiko ako? Gay ko ba? Sabay ko mga kinakanta. Hindi ko naman ito matapos-tapos. Gay ko nga.
Shakchu and nature.
Ano daw? Ano daw? Hello? Just when you make your way back home,
In nature.
I find some time to be alone.
Shakchu be nature.
I hope to say that place once more.
Hello.
Just like a dull sunlight before.
I found the nice
Hello? Ayan. This is the place where I belong. I really long to turn you on. I've got your song there in my while your traces disappear. I climbed the stage again this night. 'Cause the place is so alive when the smoke is going down. Wala yata akong matinong kanta ngayon. I climbed the stage again this night. 'Cause the place is still alive when the smoke is going down. When the smoke is going down. When the smoke is going down. Wait, there's mine. I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and I sympathize, and I'll never criticize all you've ever meant to my life. I don't let you down. I don't wanna let you on. I don't want to hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is on disguise. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. You deserve my love. I'm not sure I'm worthy of losing you is painful to me. Every time I'm let you go, I wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You couldn't close me. My heart is so disguised. I would rather hurt myself. Wait lang, guys. guys. Guys, puro paits na lang. Madami na ako. Kantahin ko. Ito na lang. Tanong mo sa akin, sino ang aking mahal? Tanong mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magkatagal. Ikaw ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Tangang ikaw ang aking mahal. Wala ka sana, sa akin ay walang ikaw lang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig ko'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Nais ko sana iyong malaman, dahil agaw di mo ko katuran. Minutes lang. I came to you and never asked much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind to know it's due. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. You're brave to say that you'll get lost in love, but you've opened your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep our love could be. Tonight, we'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm living it up to you. Even if I would know that I'm not through, I can do so much for you. I want you holding you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. Shout out to a million viewers. Yeah, shout out guys, good morning. Having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright.
Zile zile, zile zile, eu alerg, iar mile mile, mile mile.
You touch my life with a softness in the night. My wish was your command until you arrived out of love. I tell myself I'm free, got a chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you're gone. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. When I pretend, wear a smile to hold my dearest friends. I wonder if they know it's just a show. I'm on a stage day and night. I go through my carriage can I describe what's in my eyes? Night, that's like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wanted night. That's like a night. You got away the heart of my life. Oh, I've tried and tried, blocking out the pain. Pain on wanting you. Night, that's like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wanted now. That's like a night. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wanted now. Stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend. I'm on my way. But you gotta stay. I'm stuck on you. Been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me. On my way. So hard to see. You're the woman like you did not want. Yes, I'm on my way. I did glad to stay. Oh, I'm living on the midnight train tomorrow. And I know just where I'm going. I know. Wala ka dyan, eh. Bakit gising ka pa? Oh, bakit ka dito? Anong ginagawa mo? Ba't gising ka pa? Akala ko natulog ka na eh. Nang makita ka, aking sinta, sabi ko sa sarili, ikaw na nga. Ngunit na lang ang iyong puso. Hindi ka pa tapos, anong oras na? Alas 2 na. Oh, alas 2:19 na dito sa atin. Alas 7 na ng umaga din sa Pinas. Ikaw, bakit gising ka pa? Nagplantsa ka? Or nakatulog ka na? Nagising ka lang ulit sa ingay ko? Nabulabog ko ba ang tulog mo? Ito na lang sa'yo, oh, para magising ka dyan.
Zile yo alergial mile
O, diba? Bakit gising ka pa? Huwag mo akong tawanan. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko. Nabulabog ba kita? Nagwawala ako dito eh. Di ba? Ano ba yung pang sound dito? I-try ko nga to.
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Yun pala yun. It's me, Marimar. Ayun, di ba? Nasa mid na ako, be. At na lang ako. Na mapatulog ka ulit. Masyado kong nasaktan. Ang nararamdaman. Paano na ako? Paano ng pag-ibig ko? Baby, I love you. Mahal ko. Baby, I love you. Ako sa mga kinakanta ko. Mga kanta na mga pamatanda ng kanta. Hanggang kailan magtitiis ang puso kong nanais kahit nasa Discovered tabang. Ano ba itong bakit? Bakit mo sinaktan? Hindi ko bakit. Mulat sa puno. Mahal kita. Ito na lang. Favorite din to ng tatay ko. Kaya ito na lang. Inaantok na ako. Inaantok ako, guys. Oh my gosh. Last na talaga ako. Hindi ko nakakantay nung sa baba. Ito, last na ako. Inaantok na ako. torn me low from your hand. Let me fly to this time. Over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forests. Di ba nauuna ako? Home along the wings of the skyway. For this dark, lonely room, tragic shadow cast, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind these shadows torn from or just a skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon fly. Words, dreams left so very far. Fly away, skyline fly. Words and dreams have left so very far. Let me wake up in the morning with the smell of your morning. Love and try to live and die. The fight is over. I want you to be the best possible. Open out, speak the words, or just silent pigeon dreaming of the ocean, waiting for the day. Spread its wings and fly away, fly away. Words seem to let go very far. Good night and good morning sa lahat. Antok na ako. Bye!